Hello my friends, welcome to the video. My name is Owen, you may know me, and if you don't, welcome to visiting my channel for the first time on videos. And regardless of whether you're new or not, I'm appreciating you all joining my channel on videos. Pleasure. So yeah, I'm just in Ireland on the beach now, and I thought I'd make a video about my past just a little bit, so you can relate and make a bit more understanding of your life and challenges and trauma and losing friends. So when I was younger, I had a hard time in school, and I also when I started awakening, I lost all my, I kind of more or less sort of grew apart from my friends very rapidly because we're just different. I don't know what to say, we're different interests. I was really passionate about spirituality and mindfulness, and I didn't have physical energy to socialize as much either, and I wasn't very well physically, and we grew apart very fast, more or less. I spent a few years, for the most part, living with other people in the house, so I wasn't alone, but I wasn't really fully, I don't know, yeah, I was I had one friend in particular, maybe. He's a great guy. But then when I was in school, I lost all my friends, and I had a very lonely time in school, and I was sort of mildly verbally bullied, but I had a terrible, kind of a really horrible, extremely sad and hard time in school. Very sort of painful going there for so many years, to be honest. I felt so alone and sad and vulnerable and sort of naked and raw, just super not good whatsoever. I suffered from an awful lot of anxiety, both in school and out of school. At night time, thinking about going there again. But the reason why I mention all of this, my friends, is a purpose. The reason why I mention all of this is because on the spiritual path of awakening and healing and raising our frequency, energy and consciousness and vibration, even if we're not even trying to, it's happening. But it'll happen a bit faster for sure if we intend to, and we know about it, and we try to, and we even ask or pray for it, which is what I do too. I've been on the awakening journey, healing journey for almost 15 years now, you know. But it's a part and parcel that we'll lose friends and make new friends, and that's normal, you know. Hello. Hey, little doggy. Hi. How are you, little doggy? Hi. Dogs love, you know. Hey, little doggy. I love dogs and animals because they just follow their bliss. I like to be, and I am, much more like dogs in many ways than animals, they're humans. Because humans, for the most part, who are unawakened, are so afraid, and they're following all the rules of how you should behave. But they don't follow their heart, their bliss, their joy, their true excitement. And they don't want to they're just afraid, they're just in a box, you know. And that's the way me and all my old friends kind of used to be, you know. But that's the way you are, of course. That's the way you're going to be if you're not healing and awakening. But if you are, you're going to let loose a little bit. And letting loose is one of the messages from the Palladians. Definitely, follow, let loose, stop being so restrained, and have fun. They say be naughty, be naughty. I'm a Palladian. I'm definitely strongly Palladian. The biggest part of me in terms of what the extraterrestrial type of connections, because they're really jubilant, jolly, joyful, living in the moment, positive, passionate. Definitely a very strong presence too. Sometimes I don't like to be too strong on my presence, on my opinions or knowledge or knowingness or belief. You know, I just can't go along with BS, falsehood, disempowering things people are thinking or saying, or falsehoods. If I have to correct falsehoods, I'm a person of the truth and the high truth, the high energy of the truth. You have to be, at least I gotta be, because that's the way I am. It's just simply the way I am, you know. But I know I'm a massive nature lover, and that's a huge, strong Palladian characteristic too. Another doggy. There's nothing better than being out in nature, my friends. The healing energy and the energy is like off the charts and sublime. So the more we become our true self or our higher self, the more we'll naturally gravitate towards higher energies and other people connected with their true or higher self. So my service to the world is helping people, because I'm a light worker and a healer, is to help people to heal and to grow, to raise their energy, health, mood, consciousness, vibration, emotional, mental prowess and well-being. But check that out, it's pretty nifty, eh? A little like river and stream. But when I'm socializing or I'm out and about living my life, I'll always gravitate towards the higher energies, or the people with the higher energies too. Because sometimes it just becomes like a session or sharing information. And one thing I've noticed in my own life, hi. Woo! One thing I've learned, and I don't do as much anymore, but what I notice is, wow, you see that? That's the sunrise. Yeah,